Imagine waking up each morning feeling lighter, more energetic, and confident in your body. Across the world, countless seniors face the same challenge: how to stay fit and mobile without risking injury or needing gym equipment, and move with ease, bend without pain, and even the stairs don't feel like a challenge anymore. For seniors, this isn't a distant dream. It can become reality with the right exercises you can do safely at home. Today, we'll explore a complete guide to staying active, improving mobility, and boosting health without leaving your living room. As we age, our muscles naturally lose strength, our bones become more fragile, and our balance can decline. But the good news is, these changes aren't inevitable. Regular exercise, even in small amounts, can dramatically improve strength, flexibility, and overall well-being. The key is choosing exercises that are safe, effective, and enjoyable. Chair exercises, gentle yet powerful. Let's begin with chair exercises, ideal for beginners or anyone with limited mobility. All you need is a sturdy chair. No fancy equipment required. Start with seated marching. Sit tall with both feet flat on the floor, then lift your knees one at a time like you're marching. Keep your posture upright and swing your arms gently. This boosts circulation and warms up your leg muscles. Next, try seated leg lifts. Straighten one leg out in front of you, hold it for a few seconds, then lower it slowly. Alternate legs. This strengthens the muscles that help support your knees and makes daily movements, like standing or walking, easier. Finish with arm raises. Sit or stand and lift both arms to shoulder height, then lower them back down. If you want more challenge, hold light weights or even water bottles. This strengthens your shoulders and improves posture. Simple? Yes, but these movements train the very muscles that keep you independent and mobile.
The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for any medical concerns or conditions. Let's move towards video.
Balance training, your secret weapon against falls. One of the biggest health risks for seniors is falling, and balance exercises are your first line of defense. Begin with the heel-to-toe walk. Place one foot directly in front of the other, heel touching toe, and walk forward slowly. Keep your eyes straight ahead and arms slightly out for balance. Then move to the single leg stand. Hold the back of a chair, lift one foot a few inches off the ground, and hold for 10 seconds before switching sides. Over time, try releasing the chair for a few seconds at a time. Finally, perform side leg raises. Stand tall, lift one leg out to the side, hold briefly, then lower. Repeat several times per leg. This strengthens your hips, improves balance, and stabilizes your entire lower body. When done consistently, these moves help you walk steadier, stand taller, and feel more secure doing everyday tasks. Strength training without weights. Muscle loss is one of the biggest challenges of aging, but bodyweight exercises can fight it naturally. Begin with wall push-ups. Place your hands against a wall at shoulder height and slowly bend your elbows to bring your chest toward it, then push back. This strengthens your chest, shoulders, and arms safely. Next, practice sit to stand. Sit in a chair, cross your arms, and stand up slowly without using your hands. Then sit back down. It builds leg strength and trains your body for real-life movements. Finally, do calf raises. Hold onto a chair, rise onto your toes, hold briefly, and lower down. Strong calves improve balance and walking endurance. Over time, these simple moves keep your muscles active, protect your joints, and improve everyday performance. If these home exercises sound doable, pause for a moment and hit that like button. Your support helps us create more senior-friendly health videos. Also, tell us in the comments, which of these exercises would you love to start with today? We'd love to hear from you and reply personally with more tips. Mind-body connection. Move with intention. Exercise isn't just about physical strength, it's about mental peace too. Deep breathing, meditation, and gentle yoga help calm your nervous system and enhance oxygen flow. Practice deep breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your belly, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Just a few minutes of this can lower blood pressure and boost mental clarity. Mind-body movements like Tai Chi or gentle yoga combine balance, focus, and calmness, making them perfect for seniors who want to improve both body and mind together. Flexibility. Stay loose and pain-free. Aging often brings stiffness and joint discomfort, but regular stretching keeps your body limber. Start with neck stretches. Gently tilt your head to one side, hold for 10 seconds, and repeat on the other. Then, roll your shoulders forward and backward to loosen tension. Try a seated torso twist. Sit with feet flat on the ground. Twist your upper body to one side, hold briefly, and return to center. This keeps your spine flexible and reduces back stiffness. Stretching even 5 minutes a day can improve your mobility, posture, and circulation, helping you move more freely and comfortably. Creating a sustainable routine. The secret to success is consistency, not intensity. Start small, just 10 to 15 minutes daily, and slowly increase to 30 minutes as your stamina grows. Mix up your routine. One day focus on strength, the next on balance or stretching. This keeps your workouts interesting and engages different muscle groups. And always listen to your body. Mild soreness means progress, but if something hurts sharply, stop immediately. Your safety comes first. Mental and emotional benefits. Beyond muscles and movement, regular exercise enhances mental health. It reduces anxiety, sharpens focus, and helps you sleep better. Seniors who stay active often feel happier, more confident, and less isolated. Every drop of sweat is a step toward greater independence and peace of mind. Your body moves better, your heart beats stronger, and your mind feels calmer. You're not just exercising, you're investing in a more joyful, energized version of yourself. Tracking progress and staying motivated. Keep a notebook or calendar nearby and jot down what exercises you do each day. Track how many reps or minutes you manage and note how you feel afterward. You'll soon see progress, like being able to stand from a chair more easily, walk longer without rest, or simply feeling more alert. Each improvement, no matter how small, deserves celebration. These little victories add up to a big transformation. Long-term payoff. When you stick with these home exercises, you'll notice amazing long-term results. Better heart health and circulation, stronger muscles and bones, improved balance and flexibility, reduced joint pain and stiffness, and above all, a renewed sense of independence. Age doesn't define ability, your mindset does. Staying active keeps your life fuller, brighter, and far more enjoyable. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to our channel for more practical health tips made especially for seniors. Share this video with a loved one who could use a gentle push toward better health. And in the comments, tell us, which exercise made you feel the best today? Remember, movement is medicine, and it's never too late to start healing your body.
Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.